Hi there. Meet the AERO wrack's stainless steel wall-mounted collapsible laundry clothes drying rack. Designed to hold up to 60 pounds of clothes with 22.5 linear feet of drying space. Made from durable aluminum, this rack is sturdy and built to last while saving energy by reducing dryer use. It's easy to install and helps keep your clothes neatly organized and wrinkle-free after drying. Simply mount it on your wall and enjoy the convenience of extra drying space without clutter. Its collapsible design means you can fold it away when not in use, maximizing your room's space. Perfect for anyone looking to save energy and keep laundry organized with minimal effort. Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes and high energy bills with this smart drying solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.